Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm unboxing my BOXYCHARM Premium Box for February. If that sounds interesting, you want to see what I got, stick around. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen and I am so very glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Now, for anyone who's not familiar, BOXYCHARM is a monthly subscription box. It costs $25 a month, and you receive 5 full-size beauty products with an average value of about $175. Boxy Premium is an optional addition to your BOXYCHARM account. This is a second box. It costs $35 a month, and in each premium box you receive 6 to 7 full-size beauty items, makeup, skincare, beauty tools. Each box is supposed to have an average value of about $215. Now, once you are subscribed to Premium, you can drop your base box, your main $25 a month box. But in order to get the Premium box, you first have to have a subscription to the base box. But once you do, you can drop it and only get Premium. There is also a third box called Boxy Luxe. That's a quarterly upgrade to your base box. So you do need to have a base box account to get Luxe. And every third month, instead of your $25 base box, you will get a $49.99 Luxe box. You can't get the upgrade to Luxe on a premium box if that's the only box you have. You do have to have a base box. You can't have base and premium, and then in the Luxe months you would get premium and Luxe. But you can't get a Luxe in place of your premium box. Hope that makes sense. Anyway, let's take a look, see what I got this month, and how we feel about it. Last month I wasn't too crazy about my premium box, if you saw it, so hopefully this time is going to be a little bit better. So our theme this month for February, not surprisingly, we've just got heart and XOXO, so we're doing a Valentine's love theme. I'm okay with that. The themes don't always have a lot to do with what's in the box, but that's okay. The variation number I have is C2102, which I believe is February 2021, and 339 would be my variation number. So let's take a look and see what kind of goodies I got. Okay, so the first item that I see, and you know, part of me wants to save this for the end, but it was the first item I saw. So this is from Huda Beauty, and this is the Pastels palette in Rose. Everyone was getting one of 3 of these palettes, I believe, in their premium boxes. And there was a mint one, a lilac, and the rose. I will open it to show you, but I actually have this palette already, so I'm not going to swatch it, because this will either be, this will be finding a new home somehow along the way. But let's take a quick look at it. There are the shades. There is a nice mirror there. Those are the shades. They say, create limitless looks from soft, pretty glam to bold runway styles with these pigment-powered palettes containing a variation of 9 dreamy mattes, high-shine metallics, and next-generation shimmer swirls. So, it is very pretty. As I said, I do have it already, so unfortunately I was kind of hoping I would get one of the other ones. I didn't really care which one, but I managed to get the one I already have, so it's okay. I will find another home. These do retail for $29. They were available in pop-up for $12. They're gone now, but they were available for $12, so hopefully, if you didn't get the one you wanted, you were able to pick up a different one. I unfortunately got my box so late, they were already gone, so it was too late for me to pick up another one for $12. Next, from Elemis, love Elemis, this is Muscle Ease Active Body Oil. And this is a fast-absorbing body oil that contains a powerful synergy of extracts to help relax and ease tension of tired muscles. Infused with maritime pine, sea buckthorn, sea fennel, and rosemary essential oil, it envelops you in a calming, uplifting fragrance while softening and soothing the skin. No idea that they had these kind of products from Elemis. I mean, we've certainly seen Elemis products before in boxes, but not this one. And, oh, It's just a gorgeous bottle. Not unhappy about this at all. This retails for $63.50. So I'm really interested to see how this works. If anyone has tried it, let me know down in the comments what you think. Okay, next, this is a product that I've already received in a previous box. I did get an email notification that said, unfortunately, you're getting something in one of your boxes that you've already gotten, and they did give me a $12 coupon for the pop-up, so I do have some stuff coming that we will talk about in a future video, but this is what they were talking about. This is from Rhode Isle. These are the Soft Focus Glow Drops. This is an illuminating primer. And this is illuminate the complexion and achieve a lit from within glow with new Soft Focus Glow Drops. This skincare makeup hybrid is a next generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and a gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. This was, I got this in a box months ago, so it's not like this is a new product, so that's kind of disappointing. But I actually gave mine away in my December 25 days of giveaways. I never actually got to try it, so this time I will get to try it, so that's not so bad. And again, the pink is a thing for me, so it's absolutely gorgeous. So I think I'm gonna actually try it this time. If anyone has tried it, let me know. Retail on this is $60. Like I said, I put mine in my 25 days of giveaways, so maybe I'll keep this one. Okay, so this is what was making the box so heavy. This is from, I'm gonna guess it's pronounced Odacite, since it does have that accent over the E. This is Blue Aura Cleansing Water, a powerful no-rinse cleanser formulated to make cleansing quick, effective, and delicious. Energized by purifying something I'm never going to be able to pronounce, herbs. This cleanser sweeps away dirt, makeup, and pollution in one easy step, specially formulated to combat skin-damaging pollutants before they take their toll. This has an MSRP of $39, and this was in the pop-up for $9, and I think it is still available, so, or it was as of the 20th, I think, is when I looked these up. So, and it's a glass bottle, which I like. Part of what's making it so heavy, but it's got turmeric and holy basil. Turmeric is great for inflammation, so I'm actually pretty interested to check this out. It says holy basil and turmeric are infused in aloe vera juice paired with salicylic acid and grapefruit to sweep away dirt, makeup, and pollution in one easy step. So I'm looking forward to this. If you've got this in your box and you've tried it already, let me know what you think, but this one I think is a keeper. And next, from Tarte, this is the Tarteist, I guess it's Tarteist, not Tarteist, right? Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner. Here's the box on that, and you can see on the side. And this is, it says, get the perfect wing every time with these gel and liquid partners in line. This best-selling vegan dual-ended eyeliner that has waterproof liquid and gel formulas will cause some serious double takes. This product is full-size, made just for charmers, and is not for retail sale. And they do say it has a value of $24. Since this is not a retail product, obviously I can't verify that price, but I don't use liquid eyeliner, so this will be finding another home. But if you have tried it, let us know down in the comments what you think so that other people know whether it's worth checking out. I'm assuming that these two products are available individually from Tarte. They wouldn't have created brand new products, I would assume, just for Boxy. So let us know what you think. And our last product is from Alamar Cosmetics, and this is Pero Primero Primer Long-Wearing Sticky Pigment Base. And this is a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and to maximize color and pearl dimension. It's water and wear resistant, enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. It also works as a glitter glue. Mix with your favorite concealer to customize the primer's shade. Okay, this is at a retail of $15. It's available in the pop-ups for $6. If you didn't get it in your box and you'd like to try it, again, if you've tried any of these products, please let us know down below, because that helps other people know whether they're things that are worth picking up if we see them, whether it's in pop-ups or in stores or in sale or whatever. So let us know. So that was my whole box. Definitely happier than I was last month. There are at least a few things in there, even though the palette is one that I will not use because I already have it. I'm not unhappy with the box. There are a few things in there that I will get a chance to use. Again, a premium box normally has an average value, they say, of $215. That is an average. That is not a guaranteed value or a minimum value. That's the average, and they cost $35 a month. Total retail value of my box, $230.50. And like I said, I'm not unhappy with it. And frankly, just that Elemis body oil with a retail value of $63.50, you know, was enough to make the box worthwhile this month. So if you have any comments, leave them down in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. And remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.